I got it. I've had it with these mothers sticking playing.
Turbulence, hot, got away.
Maybe.
Mayday, hot, Mayday worked too. So I got one.
No, I had it with these mothers.
Brenda, shut up. I only got one.
Snakes on these mothers.
3 is turbulence. It's like
What's that?
it's
makes
like
no
wind.
sense.
It's like if the wind messes you up.
Who would dread this stuff? That'd be awesome, right, Grandpa? Don't give me any. Round 1.
That brings us halfway through round 1. Team B, you're up.
Yeah, go retard.
You're retarded.
There we go.
Don't talk to me like that.
You're fat.
Name something people are more afraid of than death.
Your face!
That's not even possible.
My mom!
How can you be afraid of death?
Their mom.
Alright, if you die, what's more scary than that you're dead? I die. Oh my god, snakes! Scared crap out of me when in my grave.
Fire, a bullet, getting raped, your face, Kyle's face.
The top answer, disease.
How you fed already?
I
said it.
win!
Well, I didn't say it though.
I
But...
win! No!
Opportunity now for Team A. Your answer could steal the round and the money from Team B. And your answer...
B stands for balls.
Give us some answers.
I don't care, just go on. I lost anyways.
Team A, you look confident.
Dentist.
Did you steal a round?
You said snakes.
What? Who can be
Texas? Texas.
Fuck,
Dennis.
shut up. No, stop you. Name something you're more afraid of than death. Dentist, really? Oh my god! I'd rather die than see the dentist, yeah. Oh, they're going to tear my teeth out!
Who's afraid of taxes?
Adults?
I'm afraid of herpes.
Of course you wouldn't get that, Bobby.
I'm afraid of herpes.
I said snakes too, so I win. I got $5.
Yeah, I'm afraid of herpes. Round 2.
Fail.
I know.
The feud continues with round 2.
That guy won't stop
Team
talking.
A's
You won't be as old as him.
He's ugly.
Duh. See? That's why you would.
When you're at a zoo, which animal reminds you of your boss?
Kyle!
That's funny. Which animal reminds me of my boss? Okay, well I don't have a
Hippo.
boss, but I can say teacher.
If you
So, no, not hippo, stupid. Bear.
Lion.
Yeah, lion.
Gorilla. Don't give
You're a
ideas.
gorilla.
You're giving
Shut up.
ideas. I know I'm sexy and hairy. I got 12 pack.
Brenda.
Shut up! Snake. Just go on with it, okay.
Flamingos because they're gay.
Survey says
Oh, I
monkey.
win.
or
Monkey?
ape.
Really? Seriously? Oh!
Because
My
they fling
boss
poop.
is like a monkey, because they're
Team
retarded.
B, this could be your
Suck
lucky
crap out of
break.
me.
If you have one of the 4 remaining answers written down, you could steal the round
Lion,
and the money.
snake, tiger,
Lions, tigers, and randoms, I
and
know!
bears, gorillas, and flamingos.
Lions, bobbies, and randoms, I know!
Lions!
Hey, Team B.
Hippo! I got
Elephant.
hippo! Donkey!
Shut up!
I got
Oh yeah,
I
my
got
boss
lions
is an
and
elephant.
hippos.
Yeah.
Hippopotamus. I got lions
Yeah.
and hippos.
Shut up!
Reminds me of you, except the lion.
Shut up! My boss is an elephant because it just blows people.
You're a hippo because you got so much
Will you
baby
quit
fat.
talking?
It's a hippopotamus.
Brenda, I'm about to hit you in the face. Really start making me know.
A donkey?
You're a donkey. Shut
He's
the
messed up in the
fuck. That's what yours.
Yay.
Are your pens ready, Team B? Here
No.
comes your round 2
Who's the ugliest
question.
man in the world?
I'll wait for it.
Woo! I am.
Tell me something you just can't wait to see reduced.
Kyle's face.
Yeah, make my face smaller. That makes sense.
Kyle's penis.
Don't even say that. You're so stupid. You're so dumb. Oh my god. Just go on with it. Yeah, you're dumb.
The most
That's
popular
right.
response.
You lost. You lost because you said my
For Team
penis.
A, your answer could steal
That don't
the
need to
round
be
and the money
reduced.
from
Just
Team
find the
B.
way it is.
That makes me gay.
How's that do anything with being reduced?
Wait, reduce it to bigger.
No, it's smaller.
Bobby, just go on with it so we can see what the other answers are. Weight, size,
Hey,
taxes,
you look confident. Did you steal a round?
crap, inflation, and clothes. Why does clothes need to be reduced to make me naked? With Brad reduced penis. My turn. Double money.
Boobs.
Double money is
no,
up
man.
for
Brad
grabs.
White, you're gay if you want
Attention,
boobs
Team A.
I hate flat chests.
Mine is
Who is the most admired athlete of all
definitely
time?
not you. Most admired athlete of all time.
Shaq.
Shut up. Michael Jordan.
Shrek.
Babe Ruth. I got it.
Napoleon Dynamite.
Michael Jordan, Babe Ruth. That's the only two I got because I can't remember the rest.
Number one answer. And
Michael Jordan, yes. I got 68 freaking dollars.
Muhammad Ali.
That's not enough. Oh yeah, it is.
Yes.
That's a boxer. I lost.
That
Yep.
dude's Indian.
Team B, are
I
you
thought they were talking
ready?
about the messenger
Babe
guy.
Ruth.
One good answer steals the round.
You can't
and the
steal my
money.
answer, you loser. Oh, I should
Tiger
have.
Woods
I
isn't
should
an
have.
athlete.
Yeah,
He
he is.
plays golf.
That's, bro, that's a sport, stupid.
That's not.
It's a sport.
Said he
For
plays
gays.
golf.
Your mama.
I said Babe Ruth.
I said
man.
your mama. But your armpit don't need to be in the video.
All right, Team B, you feeling lucky? Here's your
Yeah.
chance at double money. Get your pens ready. Let's play.
Reduce.
Name a sport that requires you to hit something.
Ball Tag Friday.
You ever hit your balls for a sport?
Kickball, baseball, boxing,
Butt slap Friday.
and soccer. Alright, that's all.
Basketball.
The top answer was baseball or
Did he say it?
Yeah, I said
Yeah,
baseball.
you said baseball.
boxing.
Okay.
So far, so
What did you do? Do the same thing before?
Did he say that?
Yeah.
Hockey.
Ha! Fail.
Fail!
Epic.
I failed at life.
Oh, you got an X
Team A, if your
Soccer.
single answer is on the
At least
board,
I
the money
can't
is
get
all
an
yours.
ex-girlfriend.
But what are you waiting for?
You
Let's
can't.
have a look.
Wait, that backfired.
Dodgeball and soccer. Bobby.
You suck.
You know you're recording this.
Team
Golf
A,
and tennis.
you look
I
confident.
failed on both. Really?
Kyle, you're recording this.
Epic fail.
No duh.
They can't even hear us. It's
Yeah, I
mute.
can.
It's mute.
You're mental.
Oh, so it's gonna hear about penis.
Yeah, probably.
Kyle said.
We're smoking. We're smoking. This game is getting hot. Team A, get ready.
Yeah, so
Here
am
is
I.
your
I get
triple
hot,
money
too.
question.
Hot and sexy. Team A.
I'm getting hot.
That's me.
Name a way you can tell a kid is the class brain just by looking at them.
They're giant tits!
Brett, it's my turn. That's so stupid. If they got glasses on, or if they won't shut up and keep shouting answers.
Freckles.
If they got tape on their glasses.
They're a ginger kid.
No, Bobby.
I got pens
If they
in
got,
their
like-
shirt pocket.
Brett, shut up. Yeah, if they got like a shirt that has a pocket on it.
Khakis.
If they talk like they're a nerd, all right, go.
Cargo shorts.
Yep.
Survey
Woo!
says
I got it.
glasses.
You
Yes,
lost.
glasses.
You said glass.
Lonely.
Lonely. Oh, I'm so lonely. I'm so freaking smart because I'm so lonely.
I know, right?
Man,
Except
see,
you're not
this
smart.
thing just makes a
Are you
crap.
ready?
Makes me lose the
Just
purpose.
one good answer steals the round and the money.
Shirt pockets, khakis,
Brennan,
and buck teeth.
way they dress,
ATB,
pocket
did you steal the
protector.
money in the round?
Quiet? No. They shout out answers because they're smart and they're not
I got
quiet.
pocket protector.
Makes them
ATM.
retarded.
You didn't say pocket protector.
That's the thing on their shirt. Pocket.
No, sure has a pocket, not a pocket protector.
You're gay.
Pocket protector is a black thing to put
Plenty
in
of
there.
time to win plenty of
Put
money.
pens in the
This
crap in.
round is not
He's a
over
kid.
yet.
He's
Team
got a
B,
pocket
ready to play.
protector.
That old guy looks gay. Like Bobby in the future. Name something of yours that
Name
needs
something
cleaning
of
right
yours that needs cleaning.
nose.
right
now. Your
now.
vagina!
My ear, my nose, my body, my room,
Your teeth.
my
Your
dishes.
breath.
The most popular
I told you.
response.
I said room.
Told you your vagina. Who farted?
Clothes.
Someone farted. Oh, you failed.
You're-
Put an X on that
I
screen.
got 204 points. How you doing?
You just
Look
spit in
out,
my
Team B.
face.
Team A
Yeah,
could have the
it
round
tastes
stolen
like
right here
something
from under your
stinks.
feet. Team A, what is your steal
Like I said, someone
answer?
farted in here.
Your vagina.
Brandon, we're not talking about vaginas right now.
You just did.
Team A,
Car body.
look confident. Did you steal a round?
Yeah, that just got recorded.
I hope.
I hate you. Bobby, go. Shut up. You laugh like a girl. Get away from me.
It's wet.
You want to win some fast money, huh? Do you? Do you?
Go wipe your ass.
All right, both teams. Select your
so
top player to
wet.
represent your team.
Here we go.
This is both teams.
There you go.
Brandon, watch this.
I'm gonna get a rash. Me!
Name a place where you might
Name a
hear
place where you might hear bells
church.
ringing.
I got it. Hot sucker.
Church.
Name something.
Name something women pressure men into
Sex.
doing.
Buying things.
Marriage.
Name a reason a woman says she prefers older men.
Cause she likes old balls.
When someone says they're having work done, tell me what kind of work.
Sex.
Construction
Man
work.
could get pregnant. Name something you would have trouble giving up for 9 months.
Kyle.
Time's up,
Babies.
teams. Let's check the answers.
I got this. Watch this.
I said sex.
Yep. I got
So
it.
did I.
You can't say my same answer, stupid.
Marriage or committing.
You slug balls.
Mature.
Old ball, I knew it! I'm kidding.
Home improvement.
Yeah.
Which
I
was
didn't
construction, I said.
No,
So,
you
yes.
didn't.
I said construction.
Alcohol.
get it. Yeah. I didn't say that.
Oh, it says something about like giving up. If you're pregnant, you gotta give up 9 months. I said babies.
Kyle, what do you do?
Now they say winners are grinners, so
He gets
both
pregnant
teams
all the time.
add
Yes, we
up
get a
all
lot
of
of
your
X's.
money from every round and let's see which
Yeah.
team.
Kyle won.
I'm fantastic.
Yep, I won. But I don't know how to.
What a nice job, Team B. I guess you'll be opening next week.
You can't say B1. He
Thanks
didn't
everyone for
win.
playing, and I'll see you all for another game
Brent,
real
he
soon.
knew my thing over press
This guy's lying. He said B1 when we all know A1.
No, we gotta watch the
Uh.
video.
One more time.
Is that camera?
Is that a camera?